Toyota is not easing into the next era of grand touring and racing. At the Higashi Fuji Technical Center in Japan, the company pulled the cover off something serious for track fans, the new GR GT3, a purpose-built race car that will share its bones with the road-legal GR GT. Even though the world premiere just happened, Toyota and Gazoo Racing are clear that this machine is still a work in progress and is not expected to hit the grid until around 2027 alongside the street version. While the two cars are closely related, the philosophies behind them are very different. The road-legal GR GT pairs a newly developed twin turbo 4.0-liter V8 with an electric motor integrated into the transaxle, giving it hybrid punch and everyday drivability. The GR GT3 strips that complexity away. There is no electric motor here, just a pure combustion V8 designed to live at full throttle for lap after lap. It is the kind of setup that speaks directly to purists who want sound, response, and simplicity. Toyota is targeting a curb weight of 1,750 kilograms or 3,858 pounds for the version that wears a license plate. The race car will go much lower once the electric hardware and comfort features are removed. Like any modern GT3 machine, its final weight will be locked in by class rules and balance of performance. For reference, the aging Lexus RCF GT3 carries a base weight of 1,250 kilograms, or 2,755 pounds, so you can imagine where Toyota is aiming with this new weapon. Visually, the GR GT3 looks like the GR GT turned up several notches. The bodywork is sharper and more extreme, with a massive rear wing, a deep front splitter, and functional louvers over the front fenders. Instead of the rear-mounted quad exhaust of the road car, the race version sends its gases out through dramatic side exit exhausts that look and sound like they belong in a pit lane. The cabin is all business as well, stripped down to a single racing seat, a cage, and the controls needed to go fast and stay safe. Underneath, the details show how serious this project is. The GR GT3 rolls on raised center-lock wheels wrapped in Michelin Pilot Sport racing tires, while the road car uses a more familiar 5-lug setup and Pilot Sport Cup 2 street rubber. Both versions rely on Brembo carbon ceramic brake discs front and rear, so whether you are on a circuit or a canyon road, stopping power will not be a problem. Toyota has not shared final power figures for the GR GT3, and even the road car is still under development. Engineers are targeting at least 641 horsepower and 627 pound-feet of torque for the street-legal GR GT, and those numbers already include the help from the electric motor. The race machine will trade that hybrid boost for lighter weight and endurance-tuned reliability, and those decisions will be shaped by GT3 regulations. This car has been a long time coming. The first GR GT3 concept was shown back in January 2022, and now we are finally seeing the real track-focused prototype. Toyota still calls it a